Hello. So in this video, I'm going to convert 12 yards, 6 feet, and 8 inches to inches. Now, first of all, we've got to break down the problem. In the problem, we've got inches, we've got feet, and then we've got yards. But we are supposed to convert to inches. So first of all, we already have 8 in inches. So I'm going to write that down, 8 inches. So that I don't have to convert. Now I've got to convert 6 feet to inches. And I know that the conversion from feet to inches is that 1 foot is 12 inches. So I'm going to use that. 1 foot is 12 inches. If I set it up as a proportional equation, 1 foot is 12 inches. So 1 foot over 12 inches is just 1 equals. Now I'm trying to change 6 feet. Because I've got feet on top, I'm going to put feet on top on the other side. And then I'm going to put X inches at the bottom. And because I have an equal between the two fractions, I cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I have 1 times X, which is X, equals 12 times 6. And that gives me 72 inches. So now I've been able to change 6 inches to 72 inches. So I've got 8 plus 72, which is 80 inches. But I have to also convert the yards to inches. Now, a yard, 1 yard is 36 inches. 1 yard is 36 inches. So I could set this up again as a proportional equation. 1 over 36 equals, so 1 yard over 36 inches. Because I have yards on top, if I put yards at the bottom, I have to put it at the bottom on the other side. So yards, so 12 yards, and then X inches, cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you're going to have 1 times X is X equals 36 times 12. So 1 times X is X, and then you've got 36 times 12. And 36 times 12 is 432. So this gives me 432 inches. So I come up here and then I put 432 inches. I'm going to add them all, and that should give me 512 inches. Now, let's say that you didn't know that 1 yard is 36 inches. Let's say you didn't know that, but you knew that 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 yard is 3 feet. So you could also change from yards to feet, and then from feet to inches. It's possible to do that. So you change from yards to feet, because 1 yard is 3 inches. You could do that. And then if you get the feet value, you change that to inches, because 1 yard is 3 inches. 3 feet. And then 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay. So you could see where we got the 36 from, that if you have 1 yard, a yard, that should give you 3 feet. So 3 feet, changing that to inches, you're doing 1 over 12, that is 1 foot over 12 inches, equals, I'm trying to change 3 feet, so 3 feet and then X inches, cross multiply. 1 times X is X, and then 12 times 3 is 36 inches. And that is why a yard is it's 36 inches. So I hope this helps. Keep watching the videos and then doing the homework. Thank you. Bye.